Good morning, everyone. John from Popeyes Postcards. Going to do our daily What Sold video. As you can see on the screen, 14 orders, $138.36. No other sales on any other platform except Whatnot. And that was 23 orders for $688. So incredible day. eBay not so much. Whatnot incredible. Thank you again, everybody who comes out and supports the Whatnot channel. So let's go ahead and get into it here. This is Los Angeles, California, Biltmore Hotel. Real photo postcard. Nice old cars there. Made in Germany. So what? 20s, 30s. And $10 best offer on that one. This is Asbury Park, New Jersey, U.S. Life-Saving or Lifesavers boat drill. And $750 on a best offer. This is down in Texas, Poem Multi Rodeo Views. Real photo postcard. Looks like a little poem there. And all these little views of rodeo riders. And $10.99 on that card. Next is an old postcard, Green Lake, Wisconsin. That's it. Very old. One picture. Yeah, that's pretty pathetic. I don't know if this was during the period when I only took one picture, probably. Or if it was a second picture was deleted. Postal and dates from the 60s, 70s. Nice postcard. So I was using nice 10 years ago. And I put all the information down here, but Zippo up in the title. So I've come a long way in 10 years. $1.99 for that one. Washington, D.C. State Girl, District Columbia, military uniform, 1907. And that sold for $6.99.
Napanock.
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 Napanock. So this is Napanock, New York, the Yama Inn Hotel. A little bit of creasing there. But it sold for $6.99. Another Arbuckle Brothers coffee trade card, Central America map. Same guy bought this one for $11.24. This is Royalty, Queen Elizabeth II, 1953, portrait painting, Stella Mackey. I still say get your Queen Elizabeth stuff up. I'll just leave it at that. $12.99 for that card. Las Vegas, Nevada, Old Fremont Street, at night, neon casinos, 1940s. Actually, it might be 1951. Yeah, I would say 1951 on that one. $9.99. And then the buyer that's been buying up some large letter greetings came back in and bought 4 more. I wonder if there was a buyer, oh boy, six to 8 months ago, wanted to buy like $400 or $500 worth of large letter greetings, and I sent him a coupon code and it wouldn't work for him, and he's like, nope, I'm done, not even gonna do it. So it was like a $400 or $500 sale that went poof, gone. But I'm not sure if this is him or not. It might be, I don't know. But anyway, they bought this large letter greetings from Lompoc, California, $6.99. This one for Pikes Peak Region, Colorado, for $6.99. And this Black Hills, South Dakota card for $6.99. Might have been offers, I can't quite remember. And then this Washington, Pennsylvania large letter greetings. All went to the same buyer. Next is Hamburg America Lines Steamship SS. Yep, Thuringia. Sure. Or
Thuringia.
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 Thuringia. So the SS Thuringia, real photo postcard. Steamer ship. I can't remember where I got it, but it's sold for $20.69. And then the last one is Red Bank, New Jersey, Molly Pitcher Hotel. I think I just sold one of these the other day. A $6.99. So there you go. Okay sales, 138 bucks on 14 orders. And join me tomorrow, 7:30 p.m. Eastern, Postcards by the pound. I haven't done any prep yet, so hopefully I get a chance to do that tonight or tomorrow. If not, we'll wing it. I have the boxes ready. I just haven't weighed and counted anything yet, so I'd like to have that done. But if not, we'll just go as is. Went to the Postcard Club meeting last night. I think I cleaned up, spent about a little over $200 and got some great stuff. Some of which will end up as giveaways on Whatnot. So if you've never been, find a Postcard Club meeting somewhere close, go to it. And I made I've known these people for probably 4 years now, and I have another lead for bulk postcards, so I don't need them, but I'll take them if I can get them for cheap. So, okay, that's it. Thank everybody for watching. Hope you all have a great weekend, and hope to see you tomorrow. Thanks again.